back with another video, and today we're doing it again. We're training at the parks, and I'm gonna do some calisthenics type of style of video. So, you know, calisthenics is something that I'm starting to get into, and I really enjoy it. And I've been working on my muscle ups, so you will definitely see me hitting those muscle ups very, very soon. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain here again. We've been getting a lot of rain up here in Pennsylvania. But yeah, dyed the hair. You guys dig it? So let's get started. Look at those clouds. Oh man, I'm gonna have to make this quick or I'm gonna get all wet. Okay, so I'm gonna hit some pull-ups. Gonna try for 10. Do a couple sets of 10. I will let you know my pull-up game is not very strong, and I am working on improving that. First set felt pretty good. Let's see how things go over here. And yeah, I'm feeling great today, guys. It's gonna be a good session.
Let's get this party started.
It's raining, it's pouring. I don't know how the rest of the song goes. I feel like I'm gonna keep going. A video in the rain would be kind of cool.
What do you do?
Make gaming videos and fitness videos.
How much does balance last? How much does balance last?
Bowsy.
How much does balance last?
Well done.
How much does balance last?
Man, I'd say that felt pretty good.